Alright, welcome to another class Python bootcamp. We are gonna check um create our next lesson for this bootcamp, and it's gonna be lesson 5. So we'll make lesson 5, and let's enter into the lesson, and let's open it in our VS Code. So we've done that. We can close our build agent and create our main.py and zoom a little. Then we have this. In this today, we'll be looking at loops. All right, Python loops. So, what are loops? Loops are conditions that if you make a conditions, and that conditions you want that conditions to run in number of times, or when a certain value is true. So you use the word loops for it. So the key features for which we are looking at now is the types of loops. We have two types, majorly two types of loop, and we have the for loop and the while loop. So let's go ahead now. We'll see. To start the while loop, we're looking at age age 12. So we say for we use the first word, the loop, and we can call any symbol. It doesn't even mean it must be I. It can be P. It can be anything you want to call to indicate the value this. All right. For in I, for I in, you call the age. Then, since we are going to be counting, we have to do range 12. So we wanted to count till range 12. Then we can go ahead and print. We can then print either age So we've done that. So we have a range. This range is just like also a function, is a key function that allows us to loop between the value here, and he knows the value of 12, so it's going to give us the range from 12 in counting. So for loops allows us to iterate, count through a particular value. So we're going to come back here and run our terminal. So you see it counted from 0, all right, 1 2 3, then it goes to the count of 12, which was at 11. Do we have the count of 12? So this enables us to get all our counts from age 0 to age 11. That gives us what 12. It's how you look through a range. Also, you can also have a range that has an array. So I can say 10, 12, 2, So I can also do this, comment on this. So what I will do now is say for I in age, and I put my column here. Then I can print every value I got. So I'll say user age, so we've done that. So let's print it out. Sorry, to be age, sorry. Then clear this. So you see, user age is 10, user age is 12, and user age is 22. So it gives us all the user age in that list through the keyword I and the number of arrays age. Then we also have age index. For instance, I want to get the index of this number here, this array. All I would do is to come here and put an index here. So I will tell my loop, I want to enumerate this age. Then when we are done, we can print this. User age is this. Then we come down here to user index is. So we have done that. Let's see how it looks like. So you see the first count is 0 to 1 and 2, which give us 10, 12, and 14. So that's how you iterate through using a loop. So let's comment on this. So let's check our while loop. While loop repeat when a condition is true. So we can say when age is greater than 13, we want to keep running loop. So we can now declare the can leave that and just print. So that means user age is not greater than 13, is 12. So let's make it 15. If you keep waiting until the condition is false, that's why it's called loop. So if we want to really break out from this, with the keyword break, so if we break from this, I will close this now. and run again. See, it gives us age is, and it break without looking. All right. So this is how you can use your loop and a for loop, and you can also do continue instead of looking loop here. This continue will allow you continue to the next one. We also have pass. So these are all the features we have for our for loop, and you can practice more on that.